Welcome to this video tutorial on how to use the Akrobat harness. Before wearing the harness, it's necessary to make sure that there aren't any abrasion or rips on the harness. There isn't any deformation or damage on the harness. The buckles aren't damaged. There aren't any unstitched parts. There aren't any unknown substances on the harness. If there are any doubt about the integrity of PPE, don't use it. Let's now take a look at how to wear the harness. Take the harness by the back loop. Pass the straps over the shoulders in the middle of the shoulder blades. Adjust the sternum buckle. Pass your leg through the tie holders and fix lateral buckles. Strap through the tie but no binding. Position the sternum snap hook. Position the spine snap hook. Tighten all buckles so that the harness fits snug but allows full range of movement. For your information, we would like to remind you that the harness is correctly fitted when the D-ring hoop is positioned between the shoulder blades, and then when the belts aren't twisted and the harness isn't too tight and doesn't compromise your work. We have taken the harness to our school gym for some tests. First, as the instructions say, we check the harness in all its components for rips or abrasion. Then, we move on to wearing the harness and tightening all buckles properly, making sure that the belts are not twisted. The harness should fit snug but allow full range of movement. We have learned how to make different safety knots. The first one is the stopper knot.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way that things have been. Oh, ooh, the way that things have been. Oh, ooh. Second thing, second, don't you tell me what you think that I can be. I'm the one at the sail, I'm the master of my sea. Oh, ooh, the master of my sea. Oh.
Then the cold hitch.
I was broken from a young age, taking my soak into the masses, writing my poems for the few that look at me, took to me, shook at me, feeling me, singing from heartache, from the pain, taking my message from the veins, speaking my lesson from the brain, seeing the beauty.
The D-ring on the side of the harness are meant to counterbalance tank sleeper speed. The rings are tied to ropes held by two safety partners. As you can see, this hook is a safety-looking system that prevents unexpected opening. In this test, we have simulated a fall in which the safety partner connected to the back hoop slows down the fall and helps his partner back into safety.
I was choking in the crowd, building my rain up in the cloud, falling like ashes to the ground, hoping my feelings they would drown, but they never did, ever lived, ebbing and flowing, inhibited, limited, till it broke open and rained down. It rained down like, hey, you made me a believer, believer.
Here, we show how to counterbalance tank sleeper speed.
Last days last by the grace of the fire and the flames. You're the face my veins, oh, ooh, the blood in my veins, oh, ooh. But they never did.
Thanks for your attention. We hope you have enjoyed our work as much as we have.